Hello and welcome to this video. Here you see a challenge lock made by Crispey, and this lock was in the package of locks that I received from PickMe 1977. So both of you, thank you very much that I can now play with this lock. So here is the key, that's the bidding, pretty good bidding. If I'm guessing right, then this is a wiser keyway. Lock works, no problem. And yeah, I've not yet tried to pick it. So you are sharing with me, or I'm sharing with you, better to say, the first opening, hopefully. So I use tension from the open side and use this jam. All right. So let's see, one is springy, two is binding, got some clicks, three is springy, four is binding, click and a turn on the core. Oh, by the way, it's a 5-pin lock, so 5 is binding. It's very solid. Already 10 minutes. That's way too long for a video. Nope. I try the other way. We are at minute 13. So let's see. Oh, and it's open? Yeah, it's open. Cool. Wow. So it was much easier this way around. Cool. Alright, so let's look at the pins. Okay. So here is the plug. The chambers are threaded in 1, partially 2, 3, partially 4, and 5. Alright, we have a lot of different type of spooled and serrated key pins. This one looks really interesting, like a torpedo, and this one as well, really nice, another one of these. And the drivers, we have a multiple serrated, we have a spool, we have a commercial one with 2 very narrow serrations, another homemade multiple serrated driver, and another one of these commercial serrated ones. Very nice pins, great job. Oh, let's have a look at the chambers in the Bible. Oops. Nothing done to the chambers in the Bible, everything smooth. And I messed up the pins once again. That's about it. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and Crispy Bear, Chris, thank you very much for making this lock, and PickMe 1977, thank you very much for sending it to me. Alright, happy picking and bye bye!